The Manipur government has restored broadband internet services in 5 valley districts, 3 days after a blanket suspension of the mobile and the broadband internet due to the protests in Imphal. However, the bans on the mobile data access remains in place. The 5 districts benefiting from the partial restorations include Imphal East, Imphal West, Thaubal, Bisnupur and Kakching. The internet restrictions were initially implemented to curb the spread of the misinformation and inflammatory social media posts following alleged drone attacks and the subsequent protests in the region. Originally slated to last for 5 days, the ban has now been eased partially, allowing broadband connections to function once again, although mobile data services are still suspended. Additionally, the internet bans has not been enforced in the hill districts of Manipur, where the ethnic Kukis reside. The tensions between the valley-dwelling Meiteis communities and the Kuki tribes, who dominate the hilly areas, has escalated over the past months, resulting in violent clashes. Over 230 people have lost their lives, and nearly 60,000 have been displaced due to the ongoing conflicts.